Samsung is once again making headlines in the smartphone world, and this time it's about something we've been hearing whispers about for months, the company's first ever tri-folding phone. Yes, Samsung could soon launch the Galaxy Z TriFold, and there's a big twist to the story. At first, it was believed that this futuristic device would only be available in South Korea and China. But according to a new report, Samsung is now considering launching it in the United States as well. This is exciting news because if Samsung goes ahead with this plan, the Galaxy Z TriFold will become the first tri-folding phone available in the US. That's because the only other company working on this technology, Huawei, is banned from selling its smartphones in the country. This means Samsung would have no competition in this unique segment, at least for now, and that could give the Galaxy Z TriFold a huge advantage in terms of demand and popularity. Let's take a closer look at what this phone is all about. Last month, Samsung confirmed that it would release its first smartphone with a 3-part dual folding display before the end of this year. In simple terms, this is a screen that folds twice, turning one large device into a more compact form when closed. The idea has been floating around for years, but now it seems ready to hit the shelves. Earlier reports said the phone would be released only in limited quantities. Because of that, Samsung initially planned to restrict its availability to China and South Korea. The reasoning behind this was simple: with small production numbers, the company wanted to focus on markets where foldables are already popular and where they know the demand is strong. But the new report from CNN Business reveals that Samsung is still evaluating which countries will get the device, and the US is one of the key markets under consideration. If Samsung brings the Galaxy Z TriFold to the US, it could be a game changer. Imagine having a phone that not only folds once like the Galaxy Z Fold series, but folds twice, giving you a much larger display in your pocket. According to leaks and rumors, the Galaxy Z TriFold is expected to feature a massive 9.96-inch display when fully unfolded. For comparison, that's almost the size of a small tablet. On the outside, it could have a 6.49-inch cover display, which means you won't always need to unfold it for quick tasks like checking messages or making a call. But that's not all. The phone is also rumored to support wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC payments. These are features we're already familiar with on premium Samsung devices, but having them on a tri-folding phone makes it even more versatile. Another highlight of the leaks is the multitasking capabilities. Recently, we got a glimpse of how the Galaxy Z TriFold could handle multiple apps at once. With such a large unfolded display, users will likely be able to run 3 or more apps side by side, making it perfect for productivity, entertainment, or even gaming. This could appeal to people who want the power of a tablet combined with the convenience of a phone. Of course, there are still many details missing. We don't yet know what processor the phone will use, what kind of cameras it will have, or how big the battery will be. These are important aspects, and as the launch date gets closer, we can expect more leaks to reveal this information. Given Samsung's track record, it's safe to assume the company will use top-of-the-line hardware to match the futuristic design. Now, let's think about the bigger picture. Samsung has always been a pioneer when it comes to foldable smartphones. The Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series have already established the brand as the leader in this category. Introducing a tri-folding phone takes that innovation to the next level. If it does come to the US, Samsung won't just be expanding its product lineup, it will be creating a brand new market segment with no direct rivals. This exclusivity could give Samsung a major edge. Imagine the buzz among tech enthusiasts, early adopters, and professionals who want a device that stands out. Since no other tri-folding phones are expected in the US anytime soon, Samsung could dominate this space for years. However, there are challenges as well. Producing such advanced technology in limited quantities means the Galaxy Z TriFold is likely to be expensive. Foldable phones already cost more than regular smartphones, and with this new tri-folding design, the price could go even higher. That might limit how many people can afford it, at least in the beginning. Still, there's always a market for cutting-edge devices, and Samsung knows that well. In the coming weeks and months, we'll likely hear more about the Galaxy Z TriFold, details about its performance, camera system, battery life, and of course, its official launch plans. Whether it ends up being exclusive to Asia or makes its way to the US, one thing is certain: this is one of the most exciting devices Samsung has ever worked on. So, what do you think about the possibility of Samsung launching the Galaxy Z TriFold in the US? Would you be interested in trying a tri-folding phone, or do you think it's too futuristic for now? One thing is clear: Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be, and the Galaxy Z TriFold might just redefine the future of mobile devices.